Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be playing in this tattoo box challenge that my friend Sasha sent me. All of this money goes towards my business expenses. So we're going to grab some of these cards. I don't know if we'll finish this today or not, but we'll see how much progress we can make. I have $150 here today, and we just have 5 cards. So let's see what we can do. So first we're starting off with this dragon. So if we do finish this today, I'm going to have to go ahead and make that appointment with my tattoo parlor, and we're going to have to decide what tattoo I'm getting, guys. So make sure you stick around. I'll post like a little... I'll do a post and you guys can vote on what you want me to get if you want to contribute that. Okay, so we finished this one. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just grab this and set this aside. All right, then we have this rose right here. So let's see, this one, we got these 2 little numbers already. And so this one is 20. We can do that, no problem. Right there. Okay. Next we have this potion bottle. Is like a potion bottle, I think. So I think my favorite ideas for tattoos that I'm probably gonna have y'all pick between is a butterfly and a sun. Those are my 2 favorite because of what they represent. Like the butterfly representing like change and the sun representing like positivity. I really like the idea of the sun actually, because YouTube has been just a really bright spot in my past year, and it's made me so, I feel like it's just helped me become me, like more so. I don't know, like it's just something that I've always wanted to do that has brought me so much joy, and I had never been able to do it before because of reasons. And yeah, so I like that idea, but also the butterfly is cute and it represents like change, and I feel like I've changed a lot as a person in this past year. So okay, so we have finished this section as well. So we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 1 and 2. And I did empty out this binder because I really needed money to pay back some of my expenses. So I did empty this binder out. So if the numbers aren't adding up to you, that's why. I had to get the money, guys. I had to get money. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5. So that's what, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Are we going to finish this challenge today, you guys? That would be amazing. We have 2 cards left. They're both roses. Wait, so we finished this section. That was our last one on that one. Wait, did we finish this one? I guess we finished this one too. I didn't notice that even. Okay. We finished this one and I already grabbed all the money out from it. We finished this one. We have some money in here. So yeah, we just have these roses left. Okay, so we already got these numbers. So we have 25, 10, 20, and 5. Okay. And our last card, dun, 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 is for $10. All right, so 5 and 10, and we have money left over. That's amazing. Let me just set it over here and we'll count it all up. And I'm gonna have to get a new box challenge in here. For next time. Okay, so section 7. Well, we're kind of out of order, but in this section we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71. Yes, this is exciting because I've had business expenses that I haven't been able to pay for, so thank goodness. We have 21. Section 3, we already pulled the money from. Section 2, we have 20, 31. Section 1, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Section 5, We have 20, 40, 45, 50, 1 and 2, 52. Section 6, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 1 and 2, 72. Okay, so $261. That's awesome. With all of these challenges that we finished today. So we completed more than that, but we already put it away. Okay. I don't know where my title went, my main page went. All right, so I am probably going to take this money and put it directly towards my credit card because I used my credit card to buy some stuff and I need to pay it back. So all of this money will just go towards paying back my credit card for what we bought business-wise, $261. Let me make a note of that. Okay, and I had 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $56. So let's see. Okay, we're just gonna make this $317. And I'm just gonna put this all towards my credit card so that way next week we can start fresh with whatever money I bring to the table for next time. Okay, all of this money is going back to the bank. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. We finished this box challenge, so stay tuned for my post about which tattoo I'm gonna get, and you can participate in the poll to let me know what you think. I will see you guys next time. Bye.